Hola amigos, it's me Paul and my beautiful wife Daniela, and today we're making a video about paying your Mexican property taxes here in Bucerias.
We call it Predial.
Right, so it's not Predial, it's Predial. So in Mexico there's an annual obligation. You have to pay your property taxes at the beginning of each year.
Well, you get a discount if you do it on January, but you can pay it, any other months. The government just kind of like tells you, go ahead, do it in January because it's the beginning of the year.
There's a 15% discount in January, a 10% discount in February, and a 5% discount in March. So I actually had a commenter today comment on a video asking the question, how much are property taxes here in Mexico? And compared to many other countries, Mexican property taxes are super cheap. For example, if you bought a house here for $300,000, you're only going to pay 3,000 pesos, which is $150 for property taxes annually. But I guess it's more like $175 because the peso's up.
And remember, you're not going to get this in the mail, so the bill won't come to you. You have to put it on your calendar as a reminder for every year so you can pay for it.
So have your property tax number ready, and you can either get that on previous bills that you've already paid, or you can get it on the deed. So where do you pay for your property tax? We're here in Bucerias, Nayarit. We actually tried to pay this morning on the government website, and we had no luck.
We used one browser, it wouldn't even let us type, and then we changed browsers, it worked, but then it didn't find it, so who knows. Plus, we did find another website that seemed like sketchy, so we weren't so sure.
Yeah.
We know that we have to follow .gov, .mx, right?
Yeah, make sure you're typing in the right website, because we did find a scammer website.
Or that's what we think.
That's what it probably is. So no luck online, so we're gonna go in person here in Bucerias. There's a couple of options. The first option we're gonna go check out is at the Mega Shopping Center.
Vámonos.
Alright, so here we are. We made it to the Mega Shopping Center. We're going through the parking lot right now. And truth be told, it is January 31st. So we're late, almost, to get that 15% discount, right?
Well, we just like to live on the edge.
Yeah, exactly. It builds a little suspense for our videos. So there's the main entrance to the Mega Shopping Center. But today we're gonna go through this area here.
You remember you needed cash? So
yeah,
there's a few
cash,
ATMs
right?
here. La Norte,
yeah.
You got Scotia Bank, and then you got Intercam, and then City Banamex.
That's right, yeah.
And Santander inside the Mega. I mean, yeah.
Okay, so here's where you have to pay. And so Daniela, as you can see, there's quite a big line here, right? So you kind of have a lot of things right here, right? You have Hora Mapas, which is where you pay your water bill and figure out all that stuff.
Yes.
And then here's where you pay your taxes. And this is where you work out. So Daniela, did she say how long this is going to take?
No, she showed me a list, and it's a bunch.
That's a lot.
I mean, I think I read 40 something and then 70 something.
Oh dear.
And plus you see people sitting there, right?
There's a lot of people. So there is another location that we can go to pay this bill that usually doesn't have a big line. Why do you say we skip Mega and go to the other town and hopefully the line is shorter?
Sí, vámonos.
So we have made it to the town of Bahia De Banderas. And so we're going to the plaza where normally they have a little setup for paying your taxes. I guess the only thing is for people without a car, it might be a little tricky to get here.
Well, how long is the drive? Just 12 minutes?
Yeah, because basically you go estaciones, And so if you start there at the Santander Bank, it's probably like a 12-minute drive.
So you get
right?
maybe you get a taxi. I don't know how much it will be, and just made a little day trip out of it.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
you know, government paperwork takes a while.
Yes.
So you have to consider bring your water, maybe get some food during that time, and be chill.
Yeah. I look at it as an excuse to come check out this little town, which is pretty cool. Juventino?
Juventino.
Ok, mucho gusto, Paul. Mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
Fuerte. So the line is shorter here, but then you have all these dogs fighting.
Yes.
This is a very authentic
Entertaining
experience.
Look at this little one.
Yeah. I recognize the ice cream man.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Where?
from the previous video I made.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I showed him the video.
See?
He liked that.
Yeah.
Here you go. You made it to the front of the line there.
Yeah.
So this line is shorter than
Yes.
the one in Mega.
Yeah, that one looked like 30 people in the list. And then right now it was before one.
Right.
After one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. You did it? All right. I did try to film in there, but they didn't let me.
Well, it's because right there's a transito and then police guys.
Yeah.
So it's basically like, you know, something
Don't do
about the
that.
police.
I get
So-
that, yeah. I had a feeling that was going to happen, but we just had a flurry of explosions and bells. It was crazy.
Yes.
But everyone's just like super chill. So just to give you an idea, this is what your Predial property tax receipt will look like. And as you can see, the value of the home is set over 4 million pesos. And the tax we paid on this home was 3,534 pesos. So we are actually paying 0.074% of the value of the home. So I mean, while we're here, we might as well find something to eat, right?
I mean, we're at the plaza and we see like some little vendors
Yeah,
here, right?
there's looks like maybe tortas.
That lady helped us. Maybe that's all what she has.
Okay.
Tacos, tortas, quesadillas, tostadas, ¿sí?
¿Tortas de qué?
Asada, pierna y carnitas.
¿Y por qué están las explosiones?
¿Cuáles explosiones?
Hola.
Ah, porque son las fiestas patronales
Ok.
de aquí de nuestro pueblo, de
Sí.
Valle de Banderas.
Ok. ¿Para cuántos días?
Dura 9 días.
Ok.
El día del viernes se termina.
Ajá.
Se pone muy bonito, hay muchos carros
Sí.
que hacen.
Ok.
The same payment we did last year for Predial is the same as this year.
Okay.
So it didn't
go
change.
up.
But I did have a bill that is from 2021,
Uh-huh.
and that's different from this year.
Got it.
So it does changes maybe sometimes, you know, like every few years.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe around the time that the municipality changes, maybe. I don't know. I don't really know, but just pay attention. And it doesn't go up too much.
Yeah.
It was like 200 pesos more or 150 more.
Right.
Aquí tiene.
Look at that. Right on time.
Si gusta ponerle salsita de esta está comible, así poquito.
¿Picosita?
Esta sí pica más.
Okay.
Mexicana, hay suavecita, aquí hay pepino si gusta.
Sí.
Está la salecita.
Gracias.
¿Y tiene coca?
De botella y le doy un vaso con hielo.
Sí, por favor.
Okay.
¿Sí? ¿Una traigo?
Una con 2 vasos. Gracias.
We have enough, right?
Huh?
We have enough money for a coke?
Sí.
Okay.
Sí. Barely.
Yeah. Because we did have to pay in cash.
Yes, we pay cash and also we
Gracias.
added
Sí tiene,
one more.
bueno.
Gracias.
That we didn't know we had to pay.
Okay. Buen provecho.
Gracias. That's pork meat.
Carnitas. Is it melted cheese? Kind of crispy on the side there.
Ándale.
Muy bien.
We need to get water.
There's the water guy, huh? I'm gonna show our water guy this video and ask if he can do that too. If you have any additional tips for paying the Predial, please comment below. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. De mi familia a la tuya, Dios te bendiga.